Hey everyone, Allison Berger here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you Lancome's Lash Idôle Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. Okay, let's talk details first about Lancome's Idôle Lash Mascara. So it is oil-free, it is fragrance-free, it is paraben-free, and silicone-free, which is also great. If only it was free, but it's still super affordable. This mascara will help lift and volumize your eyelashes regardless of the length. So let's open this up. It is in the shade of black. Whoop. Ooh, nice and juicy. Okay, so as you can see here, it has a bit of a curved wand to help you, not a bit, it is a curved wand to really help lift your eyelashes. And it has a bunch of these micro bristles that are going to really help separate your lashes and make sure there's no clumps, which we don't want clumps. It will last up to 24 hours, so they say, and this gel-like formula that this mascara is will help lift and keep them hydrated all day long. So let's try it out, but first we always have to curl these babies. So let's do this. This is great content right here. I am always in the need for mascara. That's one thing that I have left the house without it, but I have really light and blonde lashes, so mascara has always been an important part of my routine to really open up my eyes and, show that there's definition. So this mascara will really help do that. I'm just doing a little extra lifting. Ooh, okay. You can even see just what lash curlers, the difference that they make. It took me until my mid-20s to actually start using an eyelash curler, and I'm so glad that I did. Okay, so let's wand it out. So what you wanna do is take the wand side and push it up so that you're really getting the lift that you want in your lashes. So we get as close to your lid line as you can to really lift and volumize your lashes. It really looks good. It's making quite a difference. I like to always do a little shimmy and kind of hold them at the top. Oh, that looks great. What do you think? Besides the schmutz I got on me. If this happens to you when you're putting on mascara, see how it's like smudging because I didn't wait long enough? But when you put on mascara and that happens, you want to let it dry and then it'll easily come off. So let's do the other set of lashes. So I did not dip it in for another coating. So it still has plenty on the wand, which is great. Oh, I seem to always get them. See, I have pretty long lashes, but you can't see them when there's no mascara on them. So we'll just do a little on the bottom too. Wow. Okay, so what do we think? Did they volumize and lift my lashes? I think so. Let's see if not dry enough, but there we go, went away. This really did the trick. They look really great. Do you agree? I think this is a great new mascara from Lancôme. And if you're interested in trying this out for yourself to give you lengthy, volumized, beautiful lashes, head on over to my Macy's storefront so you can pick up a pair for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun sized.